Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your JBL speaker is not playing any sound and what you can do about it. So the first thing that came to my mind is that what you can try to do is to fully charge it. Only because some people reported is that their speaker didn't play any music, any sound, only because their speaker was on low battery. So this is the first thing. The second thing that you can try, maybe this is going to work for you. So when you're gonna turn it on, what you want to do is you want to press the play button and the plus button at the same time and just hold it to perform a factory reset. Maybe this is going to help. For most JBL speakers, it's going to turn off, and this is going to be factory reset procedure. Also, what you can try to do is that when you're going to turn it off, you can hold the Bluetooth button and the play button at the same time, and again hold it. Maybe it's going to do something. So this is another thing that you can try to do. So let me down in the comments if something helped you, and if no, then I'm sorry I tried. So I just really like making these videos and helping you out there in the world to have an easier life. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.